Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. As Jamaica braces for the temporary closure of the Gisco Alpart plant, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says he's ready to pick up the slack as more investors are putting their money in the hospitality industry. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
The results are in. The third quarter Business and Consumer Confidence Report revealed that investors are more likely to place their bets on tourism in the coming months, and the tourism minister is keen to make it a reality.
The third quarter release of Business and Consumer Index indicated the industries which businesses are seeking to invest in the coming future. According to the Don Anderson study, for the first 3 quarters of 2019, the tourism and hospitality industry was the industry which showed the highest interest for businesses to invest in.
The news follows on the back of announcements that the island's largest alumina plant will be closed for about 2 years to facilitate upgrading. It's expected to drag projected economic growth down to 0.7% for the 2019-2020 financial year. But Mr. Bartlett says there may be hope yet, as tourism emerges as a formidable option for significant investor returns.
This industry was seen as being able to generate more significant returns when compared to the other industries in the market.
And it's not just about investments flowing into the industry. Speaking at the first meeting of the Board of Trustees for the Tourism Workers' Pension Scheme, Mr. Bartlett noted that more money is now available to invest in other segments of the economy.
Apart from the fact that this tourism pension plan is going to provide this level of social security for the workers, it's also providing a pool of affordable capital that will be available for investment and growth in our economy.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Consumer prices moved at a rate of 0.4% in September. It dragged inflation to 3.4% for the last 12 months. That's below the 4.6% range that the Bank of Jamaica is targeting. In more details, the dip in consumer prices during September is a result of low gas prices and cheaper airline tickets. That index fell by 1%. The Communicative Services Index recorded the highest percentage increase during the month at 6.9%, followed by education at 4.7% due to higher tuition fees for the new school year. In currency trading, the day ended with the US dollar selling for $137.80. The Canadian dollar now goes for $107.17. The pound costs $174.06, while the euro is now going for $152.59. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 2,016 points today, while the junior market index gained 30 points. Among the winners, Consolidated Bakeries, Cargo Handlers, Pulse Investments, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Berger Paints. On the losing side, Elite Diagnostic, Sterling Investments, 138 Student Living, iCreate, and Lasco Financial Services. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.